As a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowing, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, I love doing what needs to be done because I deserve the best. I live the life that I want to live unapologetically. I do what my ancestors sent me to do in this world. So today, my man and I went to this lovely, lovely place that I love to go to. They do the best cakes, they do the best vitamin punch. Everything is well thought out and ethically sourced. Love it. Their service is impeccable because I am the Igbo gay king that enjoys the best things. Some of you said to me that I'm going to go to hell. Hellfire is a mindset and you live in hell. Whether you like it or not, I am going to continue to be a homosexual. No insults, no prayer, nothing is going to change that. I am going to be the Njikoka homosexual until the rest of my days. Have a wonderful time. See you in the next one. Love is love.